friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Career with Komal Ma'am. This video is dedicated for those students who wants to study in India in very reasonable price. Basically, they want to do MBA and they are searching so many universities, but their searching will never stop because there is no any method that derived them for a particular university, because there are so many university. If they called from them particular university, they will not get that much services and good services from the university and the counselor too, because there are so many counselor available in India and out of India also, but there is no any best services provided company here. But our company, that name is AK Career Point, is providing so many best services to you, so you can rely on us. And this video specifically for you, because we have already mentioned on the taglines and title also that you can do MBA in only $900. Can you imagine? It is higher than my expectation. $900 is $900 is higher than my expectation, because as per my calculation the amount will all low from the $900. So I think this video is only for you. If is there any language issue, so please, I'm really sorry about this. So let's get started. So basically, but firstly I will tell you what about international students, which country has provided international student for Indian countries. Firstly I will tell this point. For we have two bifurcation of countries, like one for international student and second for shark students. And shark students something have some countries which are providing in education system as an Indian currency. Like if you are from Afghanistan, that the fee will be same as per Indian students, but if you are from USA, then fees will be of international student. I think you can understand this point. So firstly I mentioned that what will be the country in the shark. So Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Bhutan, and Maldives. These are SHARK countries, and these countries can the person who are from these countries can take admission in India as per as Indian currency, as per as Indian fees, Indian student fees. So there is no any difference for Indian student and these SHARK country student in particularly in fees amount. So what is going to the next, that international students. For international students, the fee will be different because there is some criteria, there is some eligibility that you have to fulfill. So I will mention 5 points, 5 key points. You have to take care of all these points, and in last you have to watch the video till last, because there's something else that I will tell you, how can you take admission and how can you take best services from the university, right? So let's get started from for international students. So firstly I will tell the university profile, that is Andhra University. Andhra University is in Andhra Pradesh, that is Central University. There are so many accreditation available, like this university is UGC approved, NAC A plus accredited, even AIU accreditation also, AIU accreditation, DEB also. So there are so many accreditation available in Andhra University, because Andhra University is particularly Central University. I think clear, that is clear from my side. Second part is eligibility. Eligibility, that means you have to pass your graduation with minimum marks, right? You have to send all the documents to us, then we will take eligibility from the university, right? Third point, that is specialization. There is only three specialization available in MBA. First is HR, second is marketing, and third is finance. Third is finance. So there is only three specialization available in this particular in this university, right? And when I go for fees is most important part that every student wants to know about. Lesser fees and high quality, that is Andhra University will provide it, because it's Central University, so there is no that much high charges from students. So first one, if I consider, if I talk about the fee is divided into three parts. First is tuition fees, second is registration fees, and third is examination fee. Can you get it? So there is three parts. First is tuition fees, second is registration fees. Registration fees is one time, and third is examination fees. Examination fees of semester wise. There are 4 semester available in MBA. First semester, second semester, third semester, and fourth semester. So there are 4 semester. So examination fees will be, you have to pay the examination fees on the semester basis. So firstly I will tell the tuition fees of $600 of all 4 semester. 2 year fees is $600. Yes. Yeah. So second is registration fees, that is one time fees, that is $15. And if I look out the examination fees, that is $60. If I multiply by $60 into 4, that is $250. And if I add all these three amounts, then the total fees is around 855 something. But I'll approximate take it $900. So that is very great to you. So can you want to, do you want to do this? Yes. If you want to do this, then go to the next procedure. Then how to take admission. So firstly, please WhatsApp me on, please send me a message on WhatsApp that you are interested in particular MBA from Andhra University, and send me some details like your name, contact number, email ID, DOB, city, states, and country name. So you have to send me these details, and then I'll talk to you, and you have to send your documents to me. Then I'll surely send to university, and I'll take the eligibility of your, and then after this I will take the procedure with the counselor with Google Meet. So you have to consider that you have to take all the information from the university, right? So I think this is more than sufficient that I want to tell you. If you want to take admission, then go for the WhatsApp number and send me a message, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel, and like, share this channel. Thank you so much.